Hello everybody. I'm doing an English version of my liver recipe just because you guys complain that I don't do them in English enough, so there you go. So in my pot, I have some olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. I'm cooking down some tomato paste. We're gonna make sure that the tomato paste is nicely cooked in order to reduce the acidity. And I'm adding some onions and some bell peppers cut in small pieces, okay? We are going to cook them down a little bit, but we're gonna make sure that the tomato paste actually is nicely dissolved, okay, in order to reduce to eliminate, as a matter of fact, the acidity of that tomato paste. Okay, so we're gonna cook it down, I would say, for at least 5 minutes. And to this I'm adding some vegetable base, and then once everything is nicely incorporated, here I'm adding my meat. Again, the liver is already marinated. I let them marinate overnight, and that's about it. So now I also have a little bit of hot pepper in there just for flavor and taste. To this I'm adding some dry thyme. If you have the fresh thyme, that's good as well. Okay, so we are actually building the base for our sauce because we are going to enjoy this with some boiled plantain, and you can eat that with whatever you want. You can do that with rice, with yam and everything, but for breakfast I wanted to have that with the plantain. Okay, so now once everything is nicely incorporated here, we are adding some hot water for our sauce. Don't put too much, it depends on how much sauce you want. Okay, so here make sure that you are using hot water and try not to stir too much. Okay, see how I'm doing now? That's what you want. You want to push it a little bit to allow the water to get in there, and that's about it. Don't stir too much in order not to break the meat because the liver is very soft. And I also added some black pepper here, and you can add some hot sauce if you want, whatever you have handy. You can add whatever aroma that you desire. And here what I'm doing, once everything is almost done, go ahead and add some bell pepper, some green bell pepper, which will gonna give it a nice taste and aroma. And as a final touch here, I'm adding some onions. You can cut your onions however you like. And once I add the onion, if you're used to me, you know that my food is ready. So you can turn it off, and then you are ready to serve. As I said earlier, we had some boiled plantain, which we are going to enjoy with our sauce. And on the side, I have a salad made with watercress, tomato, and avocado. And Papi also made some limeade, and we are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed that it's in English, so you will no longer be complaining. I promise I'm gonna try to make as many English videos as possible for you. Thanks everybody for watching, and don't forget to follow and like and share and comment. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye everybody.